Hello everybody. So previously we talked about KYC and the verification process. So today I'm going to demonstrate the actual purchasing process of Pledge tokens starting on October 5th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will need to log back into sell at Pledge.finance and select the options you wanted to participate in. Again, these options are option A is $0.05 per PLGR token and having a vesting period of 9 months with the initial TGE unlocking at 25%. And option B is $0.07 per PLGR and having a vesting period of 9 months as well. But the initial TGE unlocking is 40% of the total tokens. Option C is $0.1 per PLGR and does not have a vesting period. This means option C will be unlocked as soon as TGE happens. The details of the unlocking period can be found on info at Pledge.finance. Now, the minimum check size for all of these options is $300, and the maximum check size for option A is $25,000, option B is $50,000, and option C is $25,000. Once you have selected the purchasing options, you'll be able to lead to the payment detail site. This will help you get a better understanding of the conversion rate between different payment methods such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT converted over to PLGR tokens. Make sure that you double check the conversion is correct before you proceed to the next steps. This is a demonstration tutorial video, and I have generated a random testnet wallet address for this purpose. Please do not send any money into this wallet. You will be led to the payment confirmation site once you have successfully picked in the details of your purchase. Make sure you agree to the purchasing terms and sign at the bottom. You will be able to grant two options when making a payment. TokenSolve is currently more friendly with MetaMask wallet if you have that. If not, feel free to connect to a Wallet Connect app for other wallet options. You will not be able to see Reston testnet when the sale begins on October 5th. Make sure you're correctly switched over to Ethereum mainnet for this particular purchase. For this demonstration, I am using MetaMask wallet, and once it connects with my wallet, a pop-up confirmation message will display on my Chrome browser, asking me to verify this purchase, at which point you will just need to simply click confirm. Once you're confirmed, you'll be led to this waiting for confirmation page. This generally takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the Ethereum network congestion. Please do not panic if your wait time is longer. You can always open your MetaMask wallet to check the status of your purchase. Once the payment is complete, you will be given a receipt, which you are able to trace back at any given moment in your TokenSolve account. The receipt includes the detail of your purchases. Voila! Congratulations! You have just now completed purchasing the PLGR tokens. You can come back to the main menu and check your past transactions at any given time. You're also able to make additional purchases as long as you're not selecting the options you have already making the purchases with. Now that wraps up today's tutorial, and I sincerely hope everybody have a very smooth purchasing experience. Thank you.